Code Complex is a symphony of high-potency bioactive vitamins and minerals enriched with prebiotics, digestive enzymes, adaptogens, and whole foods. Each element thoughtfully chosen based on scientific evidence to meet your body's needs. What sets it apart is its bespoke nature, tailored specifically to resonate with your genetic makeup. It's formulated with the precise forms of nutrition your body can most effectively absorb and utilize, ensuring that every ingredient works harmoniously with your unique physiology. When SNP analyzes your DNA, they're able to identify genetic variations that might affect your nutritional needs. This analysis enables SNP to create a supplement formula that's not just personalized, but precision crafted for your unique requirements. SNP uses ingredients in forms that your body can most readily absorb and utilize, ensuring you receive precisely what you need. This approach eliminates the guesswork and trial and error of traditional supplementation, offering a direct path to optimized health. This innovative program is comprehensively designed to align with your unique genetic profile, ensuring that every nutrient you receive is exactly what your body needs to flourish and giving you science-backed, personalized tools for even more effective and efficient health optimization. Welcome to the future of health, personalized for you.